Meaningful Beauty Advanced, when your skin wakes up looking 10 years younger. Ever stared at your bathroom counter, drowning in half-empty bottles, wondering which one actually does anything? I've been there, playing skincare roulette every morning like a confused scientist. Then the Meaningful Beauty Advanced 5-piece system showed up, and suddenly I had a plan that actually made sense. Comment lost if your skincare cabinet is basically a graveyard of broken promises. Now, picture mornings without the panic of choosing wrong. No more layering products that fight each other while your skin screams. Just 5 steps that flow like silk, each one protecting what the last one built. Imagine waking up to plump, rested skin that feels like you actually slept, even when you didn't. Pure control without the chaos strangling your routine. Welcome to Meaningful Beauty Advanced, the 5-piece anti-aging system that Cindy Crawford and Dr. Sebagh designed for people who want results, not riddles. Melon leaf stem cell technology that triggers your own collagen production, skin-softening cleanser that melts makeup without stripping moisture, youth-activating melon serum packed with antioxidant power, SPF 30 day cream that protects while it hydrates, Recovery Night Crème that turns sleep into a repair party, and Lifting Eye Crème that erases tired in seconds. Last month, a beauty editor almost skipped her Botox appointment because her jawline firmed up so noticeably after 6 weeks, she credited the night cream and literally rescheduled for 3 months out. The little burst beads in the serum feel like luxury hitting your face. The SPF sits perfectly under makeup without that ghostly cast. And the eye cream brightens instantly while fixing long-term damage. Keep reading, there's a secret layering trick at the end that doubles the glow. Still think celebrity skincare is just marketing smoke? A beauty editor said on record, the melon extract encapsulation is genuinely impressive. The antioxidants stay stable until they hit your skin. A skincare influencer with 500K followers ditched her 10-step routine and told everyone the Meaningful Beauty Advanced Cleanser feels like lotion, not punishment. An esthetician recommends it to sensitive clients because the SPF 30 never pills and the lipid balance is clinical grade. Real users in their 50s are saying their skin looks rested even when it's not, and fine lines around the mouth are vanishing by week 4. See why thousands can't stop talking about this 5-piece system? Because it removes the guesswork and just works. Morning and night, numbered steps, zero confusion. Yes, it's a commitment to a full routine, but the system is designed so each product amplifies the next one. Which part would save your sanity? The SPF that doesn't feel like sunscreen, or the night cream that makes pillow creases disappear? Drop your answer below. Stock fluctuates fast. Meaningful Beauty Advanced keeps selling out because it delivers what expensive cabinets full of singles never could. Join thousands waking up to plumper, firmer, glowing skin every single morning. If you're tired of guessing which product goes where and why nothing sticks, this system flips the script tonight. Click now and unlock the secret double serum trick that makes the melon technology work even faster. Don't just watch, grab yours and finally meet the skin Cindy promised all along.